Senapati that as per the order issue of 24th June 2024 by the Senapati District Student Association, all business and commercial transactions with the Kuki will be given alert. This applies to all individuals, business and firms. This order comes into play as our repeated appeal to continue to stop and cease the harassment and fixing along the national highway. We urge the people of Senapati that this order is issued in the interest of national peace, order and the safety of all communities. Anyone found violating the guidelines, order of Sdsa will be heavily penalized. Hello. Han Java, Senapati District Student Association in Matai City. Senapati District Laiba Tukandar Malik Mayambo Corporate Winaba Hanhandari Amasung Tukandar Bakaina Kuki Simbu Kotai Amatayon Bibiyaroy Sana Kumbagi Tukandar Singa Yondiba Karati FCFAG Statement Amasung Order Himatung Inna akan ba action ng katani hayo sa Hanhandari. Hello. Hanhandara, Senapati District Student Association in Matai City. Senapati District Laiba Tukandar Malik